Welcome back. Now on the far right hand side next to the address bar, you'll notice that there's an area where you can search the folder or the drive that you're working in. And if you put the cursor inside of the search box, what you're going to notice is that you're going to have search tools become available to you in the menu area. Now when we start the search, we have a few options available to us. We can search only the current folder, and that's going to search just the things within the folder where we've placed our cursor. And we can also go one step further and we can search all the subfolders inside of that folder that we're in. What we can do before we start is we can look for a specific kind of document. What we can also do is we can narrow our search down to a specific kind of file. In this case, we can look for a document file. And so anything that we search in this box is only going to be a document within the search area. We can also narrow down our search further by making sure that we're only going to look at a specific size of file. And in this case, we've narrowed down our search even more. And we can use some of the search properties in order to narrow down our search further. What we can also do when we write in our search is we can look for a specific kind of file. So for example, let's assume that we're going to write in here the word marketing. And then we want to look for a specific kind of file with the word marketing. And so to do that, we're going to place a space after our search word. We're going to write in the word EXT. We're then going to write in a colon. And then we're going to write in the file that we're going to be looking for. In this case, we're going to write in .jpg. And you'll notice then that we are only going to look for the files with the extension JPG with this word marketing in it. If we know we're going to do the search again, we can save the search in the option area, and we can run the same kind of search in another folder or in another drive by going to this area where it says search again in. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.